Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new S20 smartwatch. Let's begin here immediately with unboxing. As you can see, the box itself is very simple. It reveals immediately the S20. You can see white straps this time, not black. We have chrome, metal and black screen. Underneath we will find the charger and the user manual. Like usual, the charger is very simple, 2 points for charging, and we have here the user manual in Chinese and English like always. So basically this is what we will find in the box. So here in the S20, let's try to power it on and see how it will turn on. You can see we have one button at the right side. It powers on immediately. At the top we have here the brightness, which we can raise here at the plus sign. Next we have percentage of battery, settings, QR code and find phone. At the left we will enter the menu. You can see all the sports. And the right we have steps. Down we have notifications. Let's begin here with steps. As you can see, we have the steps that we did, sleep, hours and minutes. We have heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen and the ACG as well. We have music control, weather, alarm and stopwatch. We have here camera roll, find phone, and we are at the sports again. You can see running, walking, swimming, hiking. We have tennis, badminton, bike, rope jump, yoga and other things, as well as the history about the sports at the end. So to change your face in your S20, you have to press and hold. You can see we have quite a few options here, and we have some of them very simple, as this one. You can see it looks really good, but it's very simple, so it's a good option to have. So let's do some tests now that we saw what we have in the menu. Starting from the heart rate, let's see how fast it will measure our heart rate. You can see we have the first result here, and the last time will show you at the bottom, as you can see. And as usual, all these data will be saved in the app for us later to check out what we did throughout the day. So the S20 is still measuring, and we have the final result now, which took a little bit longer than I expected, but the first measure, or the first result, was fast enough. We have now blood pressure. Let's see now how fast this will measure. You can see the first result now, it's here, and the final result as well. We have blood oxygen. Let's see the percentage that this will show us. You can see the percentage is now here, 95. And we have the ACG as well, which we usually don't have in most of our smartwatches. You can see it's measuring. The ACG takes a little bit longer, and we have the result. Quite honestly, this is very fast. The ACG usually in some smartwatches takes a little bit longer than the heart rate, but in this case we have different position. The heart rate took a little bit longer than the ACG. So after these we have only the sports to try. Let's start with running. As you can see, 3-second countdown, We have the time at the top, seconds going underneath, we have burn calories, blood pressure, and the kilometers, and these are only 5 options to watch in this watch. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.